This video is brought to you by BridgeGap. Daily case studies, practice questions, and more, to help you switch to digital career profiles. And now, here is the case study of the day.
Okay, so in today's case study, we have to think about what kind of colors would be there for the new website for bGallerio. Now, when you talk about a color website revamp, just to give you a background, the following discussions happen, right? There is a discussion of a color revamp. There will also be a discussion. Now, this happens to be like a one-page website. So if you are revamping it, you would basically want you would want a more exhaustive website, right? And you can also have, because this is a mathematical thinking program, you can have some flavor of the app itself on the website. So all these things are possible when it comes to a website revamp. And one of the first things which has to be fixed is a color revamp, right? So here you can obviously ask the client if they would want to go, if he or she has any particular colors in mind, because every company, every client has some preferred colors, etc., right? And you have to be cautious there, because the colors need to go with the logo. So from your side, you have to use the right tools and choose a color palette which goes with the logo. And for doing that, there are multiple tools which can be used. So you have to use these and find the color palette which would go with, which would be apt for the revamp of this website. That's about it. Thank you.